Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another card reading. Today's topic is what's coming up next for the sign of Gemini. This is for the zodiac sign Sun Moon Rising. You can watch it. And today I'm just going to do the specific reading on the specific signs. This is for the Gemini. So now let's see what's coming up for them in the love life right now. If you are in a no contact situation or you are in a contact situation, what can be the situation is. So you can watch this reading according to the signs, whatever your sign is. But this is for the Gemini, so you can watch, the Gemini people can watch this reading. It will help you in the love of your life, and you are not getting the results, or you are not getting the commitment, or you are not getting the things are very much disturbing. So you can watch this reading. So let me remind you once again, it is just a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone out there, so you have to be open mind. Take only what resonates with you, or just leave the rest messages for others. And if you need any kind of personal readings from me, from my channel, so you can go through it. The contact information is in the description box. Go and check out there, so you can get the so you can get the personal readings as well. So yeah, this is it. Now let's start with the reading of the Gemini. And while I'm shuffling the cards, try to think about your person in your mind, so I can tap into his energies easily. And in the last, I'll try to add some oracle guidance, because of the people that should know what you should do in the last. Because when you know the all situation is here, when you get the messages, then the question is what you should do. So I just add some oracle guidance for you, what will help you a lot. Now let's start with the reading. What's coming up for the Gemini? Seven of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. I do pick up here, you are in a relationship, but where you are in a doubt situation. You are not see the clarity, you are not able to see your person is become a workaholic. He is not able to see the world out there. He's now become very much workaholic, and he's occupied in that career situation where the other peoples are also helped him. Other people are also helping him to making the growth in her work life, because there is a situation where he now become very energetic, passionate toward his work, towards his goal, whatever he wants to achieve in the life. But now I'm completely see this, he's try to achieve the more and the more growth in his life, for sure, definitely, for sure. And you have a doubt because of that, because he's not giving you the proper time, he's not sees you, he's not try to meet you because of the work situation here. Now let me see. Eight of Wands. So don't worry at all, because the things will be grow gradually in your love life situation, where you will get the things moves gradually like a graph. There is a too much up down in your love relationship. The situation is like on and off, on and off, and on and off, and you are not getting it whatever you are desire for. But don't worry about it at all, you will get what you are desire for. You will get the things to be done in a very positive and in a very perfectionist way, because there is a Eight of Wands card. It grows slow, but when it grows completely, it will give you the perfection. So your relationship would be perfect in the near future. This is what coming up next in your love life. Your relationship will be get perfect, for sure. You will get the commitment from your partner, you will get the things done from your partner. He will come towards you, for sure. He or she will be come towards you, for sure. But yes, you will get the things to be done. Don't worry about it. And if you have a doubt in your mind, just take that off. It's my advice to you. Just take that doubt off from your mind. Let me take more cards. The Empress, Knight of Cups. Definitely, I told you here, na, he will come towards you with the solid offer, with the solid proposal. He will come towards you. Now he sees you a very and now he sees you a very much like a sensible, mature, smart, enough smart. He sees you like that. He sees you a very emotional kind of person with a growth. So now he wants to be get committed with you. Now he wants to offer you. If you are single for a long time, then there is a offer coming in your way, and you have to be open for that offer, because there is an offer coming in your way for sure. Ten of Swords, Two of Cups. The marriage card is here, Six of Wands. Now happy, see the marriage card is here with the Two of Cups card. You two are getting into the relationship for sure. You will be get committed with him. There is a strong offer coming in your way, and you should have to see this, the marriage card with the Two of Cups. Two of Cups card is here, and you will be get committed soon, because the thing is there is a strong love from him, from his side. He do love you a lot. He is thinking about you. He is want to commit a relationship with you, because he is now thinking too much to be get committed with you. If you are in a relationship where partner is not giving you the commitment, but sure he will give you the commitment for sure, because now he sees you the very mature, enough mature to handle this all relationship, and he will be with you soon. Your relationship will improves gradually, so you have to give him a time and the space for the relationship. It will improves gradually. So definitely, now let me take out some oracle guidance. Success, you will get success. I told you na, your things will grow gradually. You have to wait for a while, because you will be get committed in the relationship in the coming time. He will come towards you with the solid offer. He is coming towards you with the solid offer, and you have to believe that in yourself and in him too, because there is a love, there is a strong emotions. The situation will improve. I told you the situation will improve soon. Now he is too much become very workaholic, occupied himself in the work, only due to the stability, only due to the work growth, that's all. But yes, he do have a feeling, he wants to be committed with you, he wants to take the things with you. So he will get to be married with you, because when he get just like that, when he gets stable in his life, then only he wants to give you the commitment for sure. Firstly he wants to get stable in his life, then he will give you the commitment. That's his plan. But now, because of that behavior, you are just make yourself anxious, you are just making yourself ill. Don't do that, because health is very important. Health is above all the things in the life. So you have to take care of your health first. If not, if you don't do that, your health will, you will get ill, you will get sick. Don't sick of it. Relationship only work out when we are giving it and taking it. If you are giving in the relationship, if you are a giver, then just don't demand for the uh, things. Just wait for your time. Things will going to be happen in your favor. So you should wait for your right time, you should wait for your moment. It will be turned in your favor, because the angels wants to send you, tell you the situation will improve soon. So you have to wait for these things, which is I'm picking up here. So this is it, I'm picking up here for the sign, for the Gemini people. So now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.